Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have talked about the ray diagram. Now this ray diagram is not in your syllabus, but the concept of the ray diagram must be clear in your mind. Okay, so that we can construct the figures for the formula derivation as well as we can easily solve the example. Okay, now today we will talk about the relationship between the f and r. Now what is f? Small f you have to consider. Small f is considered as the focal length of the given mirror. Okay, and the capital R is considered as the radius of curvature. Okay, so in this video we are find out the relationship between this focal length and the radius of curvature. So let me see. Okay, for that you have to first of all construct the simple figure. Okay, either you have to take the concave, otherwise you have to take the convex mirror. Okay, in the concave mirror, okay, you have to consider first of all the one of the parallel rays. Okay, and we know that the parallel rays incident on the mirror after the reflection always passing through the what? Principal focus. Okay, so here I am considering the one ray, and after the reflection it will passes from the what? Principal focus f. Okay, now here we have to define the angle theta. Okay, that means incident angle and the reflection angle. Okay, so for that you must need the normal. Okay, so how can you draw the normal? So for any point on the mirror, that is you are considered as the incident point. Okay, for any point on the mirror, that is you are considering as the incident point. Okay, that point you have to join with the what? C. C means center of curvature. Then this line will automatically become what? Normal. Okay, so we know that the incident ray making the angle with the normal is considered as the theta. Okay, that is called incident angle, and again normal to the reflected is considered as the what? 2 theta. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the simple figure. Now how to write down this theory and how we make the formula, otherwise derive the formula between f and r. So for that you have to first of all draw this figure, and then after you have to always give the description of the figure. For example, you are considering the what? Concave mirror. Okay, convex mirror. The convex assume for under. Now take the one ray which is parallel to the incident, parallel to the principal ray. Then after the reflection it will passes from the f. Okay, now you have to define theta and theta. Okay, આપણે અત્યારે થોડીક વાર પહેલા સ્ટોપ કરીએ એના માટેની અંદર. Okay, so you have to all give description about the what? Mirror first of all. Okay, and you have to give description by yourself in your own language. Now next point, you have to define the normal and INR. Now from the figure, the normal will be considered as the what? Cm. Okay, and this theta. Okay, if we are giving here point as the x, so xmc is considered as the incident angle, and cmf is considered as the what? Angle of reflection. Okay, now from the figure you have to show the two triangle. Okay, first triangle is the what? Triangle MCF. So for triangle MCF, okay, here the incident ray and the principal axis both are parallel. So here you can say that this is the Z shape will be formed. Okay, and this angle we will consider as the what? Alternate angle. Okay, and alternate angles are always what? Equal. Okay, so these are the two parallel, and this one is the what? Transversal. So here whatever form the alternate angle are always equal. So here if you are taking incident angle as the theta, okay, then here also angle will become the what? Theta. Okay, now for the triangle MCF, this angle, that is angle MFP, okay, that angle will consider as the exterior angle. Okay, you have already talked about, or you have already learned about the exterior angle in the past standards. Okay, so we know that as per the definition of exterior angle, it will be always the sum of two opposite angle. Okay, तो અહીંયા આગળ આપણી પાસે 2 theta છે. Okay, तो આ angle સિમેટ્રિક triangle હતા, બે angle left રહ્યા, this one and this one. So add these two angle theta, and this is already theta. Okay, so theta plus theta, this angle will become what? 2 theta. Okay, so in the third point you have to write down the which angle will be theta and which angle will be 2 theta based on the property of first is alternate angle and second one is the what? Exterior angle. Okay, so from the figure you can say that now the angle MCP Okay, MCP, it will be theta, and triangle MFP, that is MFP, you will consider as the what? 2 theta. Now the next point, you have to take tans of this angle. Okay, now whenever we are taking the trigonometry, you have to consider the right angle triangle. So for this point, we are drawing the one perpendicular line. Now whatever mirror we are considering, at the introduction time, you have to write down that the mirror we are considering is a small aperture. Okay, so whenever you are taking the smaller aperture, then this D point and P points are nearly very closer to each other. So if you taking the F to P distance or F to D distance, both are almost same here. Okay, so we are drawing here one line that is perpendicular line. Okay, now the triangle will become one what? Triangle CMD. Okay, what triangle? Triangle CMD. So for this right angle triangle CMD, tan theta will be what? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side will be what? MD. Okay, so here we write down tan theta equal to MD divided by, okay, adjacent side. Adjacent will be what? CD. Okay, so here we write down the CD. Next, tan 2 theta. For tan 2 theta, we are considering the triangle MFD. Okay, so in the MFD, again the same formula, tan to the opposite side, that is what? MD. Okay, so it is equal to what? MD, and divide by what? FD thase andar. Okay, so it will become the what? FD. Now whenever you are considering the ray diagram, at that time whatever the angle theta, okay, you have to consider as a smaller value. ઓકે, આપણે રે ઓપ્ટિક્સ ની મોટાભાગની થિયરીઝ કરી એમાં આ કન્સેપ્ટ તમને જોવા મળશે કે if you considering your angles are in the smaller value, then tan theta will be equivalent to the what? Theta. Tan theta will be equivalent to the what? Theta. So above equation will be rewrite as theta equal to MD, and we know that D and P point are we consider as the same point. So CD ની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખીશું? CP, and FD ની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખીશું? FP લખી શકીએ અંદર. Okay, so MD divided by CP, and 2 theta equal to શું થશે તમારું? MD divided by FP થશે અહીં આગળ. Okay, yes or no? Now here is a theta and here is the 2 theta. Okay, now either you have to place this value at here, otherwise you have to take the ratio, but we are placing this theta value in this equation and find out the relations between F and R. Okay, so place this value into this equation. So 2 into theta equal to what? MD divided by CP equal to MD divided by what? FP. MD શું થઈ ગયા? કટ થઈ ગયા. Okay, so what you are getting right now? 2 divided by, now CP. Okay, CP is what? C to P means pole to center of curvature distance we are consider as the what? Radius of curvature. Okay, so it will be write down the what? R. Okay, equal to 1 upon, because MD is here cut, and upon FP. Now F is the principal focus and P is the pole. Now this distance is considered as the what? Focal length. Okay, so here we have write down the F. Now take the reciprocal on the both the side, so you will get finally the relation F equal to R by 2. Okay, and the focal length je khari eno relation શું મળ્યો? It will be the half of the radius of curvature. Okay, F equal to R by 2. उसी हिसाब को half कर दो, आपका आंसर आ गया इसका focal length का. Okay, in the next lecture we will study the mirror formula. Okay, thank you.